I know it has been a while, so I put up a makeup tutorial for another look using the Bretman Rock Jungle Rock palette, and this time I kept it super simple. A lot of people have been commenting that I look better with simple makeup. They don't like me putting on so much dark eyeshadow. I just used Prowl, Don't Be a Lion, and Alpha, and for my transition shade I use this Coconut Connoisseur. So if you like how this turned out, please stay tuned so you know how to achieve this look. So, I have been away for a long time and this is the makeup tutorial I put together when I decided to come back to this tutorial playlist. I think that primarily what drew me to YouTube was to put on makeup, put out some makeup tutorials and reviews, and that is the same reason that I am doing this again. I think it really does relieve my stress. I thought I wouldn't be affected by work from home, but it has got to me. At some point, I thought that if I would edit a film and I would face my laptop again, and it's not about leisure and taking my mind off everything, it makes me so stressed that I kind of like stop. And I've been doing a lot of Ropeflow, so I thought, you know, why don't I just repurpose these videos that I've been putting on effort too. So right now it's raining, I can't do Ropeflow, and I do have a lot in my arsenal to edit for you, but I felt like, why don't we make someone glam today? Why don't we put on some makeup today? So it's the very reason, it's the same reason that first pulled me in YouTube, is the very reason that I am back right now. I really wonder if people still try to put on makeup despite. I personally just focus on my eyebrows, my eyes, and that's it. I would normally not resort to waterproof makeup just to put on a full-on makeup. I don't see the need for that yet because I'm still on work from home, but let's see. When we come back to work on 5 days a week, maybe I will. Thanks a lot for staying up to the very end. I hope that you guys stay safe, and if you need to go out, please wear a mask. See you again soon. Bye!